Hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Hello! My name is Teacher Nicole. I am from the beautiful country that has natural beauty from the Philippines. I am 25 years old. Welcome to my English classroom. As you can see, I keep my classroom fun, educational, and colorful. Do you know that Teacher Nicole likes animals and also like fruits, bananas, and apple? Do you like apples and bananas? Num 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 num. And of course, I also like eating cakes, pizza, and ice cream. Yum 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 yum. I love teaching children and helping them enjoy English in a fun and a friendly way. We are going to have lot fun learning English together. We'll play games, sing songs, dance, and read stories. I can't wait to meet you on this learning journey. See you soon. Goodbye.